All right, welcome back to On-Site with Mike Bosch. We're here in a basement that we're completely refinishing. We've done the demo and I'm just gonna take you through and show you some of the things that we found that we're gonna fix up and take care of for the customers so that when we finish the basement, everything is completely right. So over here, you can see the plumbing that was left over from the old bathroom that was here. We're relocating the bathroom in the new basement. So all these pipes are gonna be cut off properly. Vents will be rerouted if they're required for a second floor. All the water lines get removed that aren't needed and taken back to their source. We've also discovered a number of cracks that were in the foundation. We grind this out, install our nipples, and then coat it with this hydraulic cement, and then we inject the crack with an epoxy and we leave it to cure, and then these nipples can be removed if required. Once that's done, the crack is waterproof, and then we can start installing the walls and insulation. If you watched the last episode on this basement, you'll notice that I have to duck underneath ductwork. I am 6'5" and have to duck underneath ductwork regularly. This example was exceptionally low. What we're in the process of doing is removing this ductwork because it is so low and rerouting it closer to the ceiling, and then redistribute all the lines that were coming off of it, which is going to give us a lot more headroom so that a guy like me doesn't have to completely duck underneath the ductwork. Duck under the duct. Existing mechanicals, something like a furnace and or tankless hot water system, stay where they are. We just make sure we frame appropriately around them so that they're isolated. And there are code requirements of what we need to leave in terms of space around these mechanicals, and we make sure we follow those, and they're all placed out on the plan, and everything gets inspected by the municipality. All right, thanks for watching. The next time we're back, this place is gonna look completely different. All the framing will be done. All the electrical, rough-in electrical will be done. All the rough-in plumbing will be done, and we'll be ready for installation. Our inspections will be happening, and the next step is drywall. So if you've made it this far in the video, we can't wait to see you next time. Thanks for watching.